What's up YouTube? I'm back in the still standing garage. This is going to be a short video of unboxing some parts that I just got from Original Parts Group. So let's go. Got the trunk seal for the Monte over here. This is gonna be for the roof rail. Should be two of them in here. Hell yeah. And this one is for the door. One for each door. Hell yeah, brand new. Crazy. Hell yeah. This is most likely the hood to cow. Yeah, that's what it is. The hood to cow. They didn't send me any stickers. What the hell? It is what it is. Yeah, finally got those parts in. I remember when I used to drive around in the Rico as a daily. I used to go to the junkyard and go get me some weather strips that were a lot better than mine and put them on. Because at that time I couldn't afford the good stuff. So that's all I did. So now the Monte Carlo is getting that special treatment. Getting all these weather seals, weather strips all brand new. Once the car's ready to go, put these on. Nice and sealed. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so that was just a quick video of an unboxing of what I got for the Monte over here. Just wanted to show you guys that. Stay tuned for those videos on this Monte, getting closer to paint. Every week I'm putting up what I worked on during the week, so stay tuned for those. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment below what you guys think. Let's go.